Welcome to the best picks. The Best Flex track cars is probably one of the most exciting and versatile slot car racing systems available today, offering a unique blend of customizable track layouts, high-speed racing action, and the ability to create truly unique and challenging courses that will keep you entertained for hours, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, making it a perfect choice for both casual racers and serious enthusiasts alike. Number 5. iHaHa Toddler Boy Racetrack Toys. Get ready for 236 pieces of racing and construction fun. It's packed with cars, trucks, and everything needed to build a whole kingdom. They're not just cars, they're excavators, cement trucks, and more. Each one is uniquely designed for imaginative play. With flexible tracks, a bridge, and fun accessories, it's easy to create unique raceways. The possibilities are endless. It encourages kids to build, create, and use their imaginations. It's a fantastic way to limit screen time and foster healthy play. Made with child-safe materials, it's built to last. The pieces are perfectly sized for little hands and easy to carry around. What we like. This set boasts an impressive 236 pieces, including 6 unique construction vehicles. The flexible tracks allow for endless creative building possibilities, making it perfect for imaginative play. If you're looking for a comprehensive and versatile set to spark your child's creativity, this is the one for you. What people say. We have taken this apart and put back together multiple times. And it's a new track every time. This is a fun toy for the kids. It snaps together and apart easily. You can make different variations of the track. The toy cars provided in the package run smoothly along the track. The iHaHa race tracks deliver on all fronts. My son is fascinated by the 6 construction cars and the flexible track pieces that allow him to create his very own engineering roads. The quality of these toys is outstanding. They're built to withstand the energetic play of a 3-year-old, which is a big plus in my book. Number 4. USA Toyz Glow Tracks. It's the ultimate glow-in-the-dark racetrack set. Easily connect the flexible tracks to create endless racing possibilities. With 360 pieces, you can build custom speedways in seconds. It includes bridges, ramps, and even road signs. The 2 included LED race cars light up, making it fun to race even in the dark. Get ready for some nighttime fun. Watch it glow. The neon tracks and cars create a spectacular light show as you race. It's more than just a racetrack, it's a STEM toy that encourages creativity, problem-solving, and teamwork. It's perfect for solo play or with friends. This set is easy to assemble, disassemble, and store. The flexible tracks roll up for easy travel and storage. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, it's safe and fun for kids aged 3 and up. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like. With 360 glow-in-the-dark pieces, this set offers a truly unique racing experience. The included LED cars add an extra element of excitement, perfect for nighttime fun. If your child loves bright colors and imaginative play, this set is a must-have. Number 3. Ontel Magic Tracks. It's the gift that keeps on giving. This amazing set lets you create glowing racetracks in any shape you can imagine. Watch it glow in the dark. Simply snap the pieces together to build your own custom speedway. It's so easy, even young children can do it, and it glows brightly in the dark. With its flexible design, it bends and curves in any direction. You can even change the track while the car is racing. It provides hours of fun and creative play. Plus, it rolls up for easy storage, so you can take it anywhere. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. Get creative and use household items to build even more amazing tracks and ramps. What we like. This set features 10 feet of bendable, glow-in-the-dark track, offering endless customization options. The light-up race car adds to the fun, making it a perfect gift for children who love to create and customize their play experiences. If you want a set that's both fun and easy to store, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The build quality is great, was not difficult to assemble and kept them stimulated. It also glows in the dark. The track is slick on the bottom, if using it on a smooth surface, the track will slide around. This can actually add to the fun. We used our track initially set up on a coffee table in a carpeted room. The track held together well even after a few fun crashes to the floor. On the carpeted floor, the track experiences less movement as the car races around. Easy to assemble the track, you just snap the pieces together. They are flexible so you can shape the track however you want. It does glow in the dark, but the room has to be totally dark for it to work. The car itself takes 3 AAA batteries and is large and made of thick plastic. Number 2. Magic Trax Glow Cars, 4PK. These light-up cars are a fantastic gift. Kids will love the different colors, and parents can join in the fun, teaching about traffic safety along the way. Made from safe, non-toxic materials, they're easy for little ones to use. Just flip the switch on the bottom and let the racing begin. Requires 2 AA batteries, not included. Watch them light up. The 5 bright LEDs will amaze kids. Remember to be gentle with them to keep them in top condition. These cars work with most track sets, or even on any smooth surface. Let your child's imagination run wild. We stand behind our product. Contact us with any questions or issues, and we'll make it right. Order now and receive a free screwdriver. What we like. This pack includes 4 cars, each with its own unique LED light design, adding excitement to any racetrack. They're compatible with most track systems, offering versatility and value. If you need extra cars for your existing set or want a variety of options, this is a great addition. What people say. Easy battery installation with 2 AA batteries. My son can work them on his own. Easy on and off switch. They fit and work great on the track that I have, Neon Glow Magna Trax Mindscope product. They take AA batteries whereas the original cars take AAA batteries, which is fine. These replacement cars have a lot more great flashing lights than the original cars. The cars are made of sturdy material. Number 1. Track Cars Replacement Light-Up Toy Cars. These light-up cars work with most flexible tracks, including dinosaur and rainbow tracks, as long as the track is at least 2.2 inches wide. They also run on smooth floors. The on-off switch is on top of the yellow truck and on the bottom of the blue and red cars. Make sure your track is wide enough for them to run smoothly. Each car has 5 bright LED lights that are super fun, day or night. They need 2 AA batteries, not included, and rechargeable batteries are recommended to save money. These glowing cars are a great way to spark your child's imagination. Parents can even join in the fun by pretending to drive. This set includes a red car, yellow truck, blue police car, and a small screwdriver. If there are any problems, contact us for help. What we like. This set offers 3 cars with flashing LED lights, adding a dynamic element to any racetrack. The cars are compatible with most flexible track systems, providing a fun and versatile addition to your child's playtime. If you are looking for extra cars to add to your existing track set, this is a great option. What people say. Worked great for Magic Trax. Bright lights. Perfect replacement. Cars work great, and race fast around the track. Cars are fast, cool lights. Haven't broken after a few months. They work well on the connectable car tracks. They light up, which the kids love in the dark. Easily can replace battery. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.